Today I will share a quick and easy banana pancake recipe that's fluffy, healthy, and perfect for breakfast. These homemade banana pancakes are made with simple ingredients and come together in just minutes. Whether you're cooking for your kids or craving a sweet morning treat, this easy banana pancake tutorial is a must-try. No fancy tools needed and perfect for using overripe bananas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy breakfast recipes and quick cooking tips. So let's get started. First, put 1 cup all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon whole milk powder. This is the brand that I use, Nido by Nestle. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar. Whisk all dry ingredients together. Then we prepare our overripe bananas. We need about 3/4 cup or about 2 bananas. Then we mash our bananas. Add 1 egg to the mashed bananas and beat on low speed just until combined. You can also whisk by hand. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla to 3/4 cup whole milk. You can also use banana essence, and I will use about ½ teaspoon. Pour the milk to the banana mixture and add 1 tablespoon melted butter. Beat on low speed briefly. Add the dry ingredients and beat on low speed just until combined. Don't forget to scrape the side of the bowl. Again, you can use hand whisk if you like. Heat up your pan and add butter. Pour 1/4 cup pancake mixture and add some banana slices. Cook until the pancake settles and flip. Then cook until done. Your pancake is ready. You can serve the pancake with honey, syrup, powdered sugar, and some fresh fruits. Thank you for watching and see you next time.